Hi, my nickname in CloudSpokes is Chuck68 and I am here to talk about the application for mobile sliding container. As you can see, I've opened the Android and a web browser for seeing the page of the testing of the component. Now we are here in the initial screen, and let's see here that I have currently one button in the toolbar that is going to manage accounts. When I click on it, the listing of the different sections opens, and here I can see my accounts section and its corresponding record listing. I can collapse when I click on the section title and then open another section, in this case opportunity. Here we can scroll down the page to see all the list. As you can see, there are some sections that have an info button. It means that every section with this button is because it's defined that a pop-up text must be shown when we click on this button. So this is the text showing in the pop-up, and it's closed when we click on the X button here. Okay, let's see the other one. For opportunity, we click on the button and the text is shown as well for that section. Let's open my accounts again, and when we click on one record, we will see the corresponding form that is showing 4 fields in this case. That's because the application can be configured to tell which fields it must show to the user. But there are cases that some records couldn't have any of those fields. For instance, this record has a couple of fields without values. That's because it comes that way from the database, so here we only show the fields that we have values for. Can click on back button and continue browsing the list. In the case of contacts, there is another field definition for the form, so you can see here it has 3 fields for the section type is contacts. Now just let me show you in the configuration of force.com IDE how I have configured the corresponding sections and field names for the application to run, in order to run. So we begin here with the h-align attribute that can have left or right value here, and width and height. This is percentual definition for that field, but we can specify that width should be expressed in pixels as well. Let's put it back on the 70% value that we had before. This is the category that first is shown in the application. As you remember, that was the first button we clicked when we opened the application. That was manage accounts, and it has its sections. The first one is account. Okay, that's the object name we have in Salesforce, and we can override or specify which header must appear in the application. That's my accounts. And the first field name we have here is the one that is shown in the listing, in the list view. The first is the record listing screen, and here there is another property that is called detail fields that specify the different fields that go in the form, in the detail record form. And finally, another property that is called pop text that is accepting HTML markup that is going to be shown when the user clicks on the more info button. This is an optional property. You see here in contact this property was not specified, so in that case the corresponding button is not shown. We come back down the configuration file and see that we have another section that is called opportunity, and every other properties that are required in order to run the application. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching this video.